Another batch of cleanroom equipment is ready to be dispatched. Suzhou Pharma Machinery, with over 20 years of professional experience, continues to win customer trust and secure orders. This is not by chance but a continuous recognition of the quality of our turnkey projects. From drawing design to completion acceptance, Suzhou Pharma provides full process services. 20 years of cleanroom project experience. Compliant with GMP/FDA/ISO 14644 certification standards. 7x 24-hour rapid response mechanism. Over 500 successful cases testify to our strength. Our footprints are all over the world, especially in the design, installation and commissioning of HVAC systems for clean rooms overseas. Choosing Suzhou Pharma means choosing professionalism.